the clear jelly stamper Valentine's Day box. I believe they're mystery boxes. I went ahead and asked if I could do an unboxing, and they said go ahead. This is the biggest one you can get. It's called the Grande Amour, I think. And it comes in this really pretty box, and it's like magnetic. If you ever got their stamping polishes or one of the other bigger boxes, it's like that. But it's so cute. So that's what it looks like. It's humongous. And then, of course, I already peeked inside. But here it says, Be My Valentine. It has their social media, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And then the website. So that's really pretty as well. I know one of my girls is going to steal this for scrapbooking or keeping their special stuff in it. But I'm going to try and keep it as long as I can because I love this box. So I'm going to set it off to the side and then slowly bring everything in. So see if I don't drop everything. I will. Let me move some stuff. Alright, so first thing that I grab is this, and it is a brush, and I'm so excited. When I was peeking in, my daughter's already seen it, and they're saying who gets it. It's really nice quality, so that's awesome. I'm excited. Never have enough brushes. So here's this. And it looks like a brush of some sort. It says clear jelly stamper. Alright, sorry. I got a phone call. Anyways, okay, so this is from Clear Jelly Stamper. Obviously, it's the box. So it has pretty little diamonds. And yay! It's a cleanup brush. I love these. It's so thin and it gets around your nails so perfectly. They're just so pretty. I never want to use them, but I do. Alright, and then some cuticle oil. Oh, awesome. I just realized they have cuticle oil. If you didn't know, it's on their website. I actually had it in my cart. I was waiting for a different ooh, that smells good. For a holiday launch to get some plates. And this one is CJS Signature. So these ones, you just click the pen until it comes up. Oh, that's going to be awesome. So you just click it a few times and then it will start coming up. I don't want to do it too much because then it just not overflows, but it just starts coming out like crazy. Let's see. There we go. I think it's almost there. I'm excited because this is actually in my cart right now, like I said. So, and I just barely peeked in the box. Oh, that smells nice. So it's almost like a minty, but not minty. No way! Look, I used this old acetone thing. It's so crusty and dusty, and so this is awesome. I always see her use one in her videos as well, so that's awesome. And I don't know if you take this off because you can kind of see an air bubble. And I know with some like stickers and decals, it will have the thing on and then you take it off, but I'm going to keep that on. So if you take that off and you get this, let me know. So that's awesome. And then let's see. You just fill it up, and how do you, because it's supposed to have like, oh, the whole thing. Okay, there we go. Because like that one, this one, it's popped up. So I didn't know if that one did, but it's the whole thing moves. I'm excited because I'm going to switch that over. Yay. And, oh yay, a stamper. I freaking cannot get over how much I love clear jelly stampers. I hope this one has a really cute design for Valentine's Day. And of course it comes with my favorite scrapers and a little box you can reuse. Oops, did I hit that? Sorry. So yay for scrapers. Okay, let's see. Yes, it has hearts. Oh my goodness. See, and like you could use these all the time. Let's see, which one do I have? I have the Christmas one out because like the little snowflakes and stuff, but this one is probably my favorite because it has hearts and look how pretty. And these ones are my favorite stampers because they're short. So yay. All right. Let's see. Clear jelly stamper. It's in a cute little box with this. No. Oh my gosh. My daughter Isabella is going to love these. She's going to, I swear she's going to wear them all summer. Yep. These are going to be so cool. They are sunglasses. They're heart-shaped. Oh yeah, she's going to be floating around the swimming pool. Oh, those are going to be so cute on her too. She's going to be excited. She wanted to open the box. I'm like, no, you can't open the box yet. Alright. And then, let's see. This is so pretty. Let me take the paper off. Oh, look at that. It's so glittery. Beautiful colors. Oh, I like this one. I needed another one too. And then you can put the plates inside. This one, let's see. I think these ones are different from the other one that I got. Yeah, this one goes, it can go here on the top. Oh, and that's to like push it. Okay, and then this is to push it out. So that's really helpful because sometimes they're really hard to get out. So there's that. It's really, really pretty. And then, oh yay, another sticky pad. I love these. This, oh, I love it. I have this one out of the other case, but just because I needed something quick. And if you've seen my other video, I spilled glitter everywhere and I'm still picking it up. These are awesome. They don't roll everywhere, so that's freaking perfect. And speaking of stampers, look at these. Oh my goodness, how cute. Look, there's a heart. And these little hearts with wings. And then of course the cute little guy and girl kissing. And it says, kiss me, I love you, all I need is you. That's super cute. They're tiny bit smaller, but they're exactly the same. So that's awesome. I love those so much. And then, let's see, there's 3, 4, 5, 6 stamping polishes. This one, hello. This one's number 17, a really pretty light purple. I'll have to see if I have it. And then up next is, if I can get it out of the box, this one is number 18. I know I do have this one. So a light purple and a more dark purple. And then if this is angelic white, you are going to absolutely love it. It's a shimmery white that shows up very well. And then this says the 3-pack Cheeky Trio. So let's see what these colors are. So 162, 163, and 164. So 62, 3, and 4. Beautiful colors. I really like these. That one's nice. Kind of reminds me of the one I just got, but that's nice. Perfect for Valentine's Day. So those are the stamping polishes. Really pretty. Those are good colors. All right, let's see. And then next up is probably my favorite part. Stamping plates. So there's 3 big ones and then 1 smaller square one. So this smaller one is like a vintagey one. Has like some locks and keys, a little angel. And this is what the back looks like. That's really pretty. Some ink, the Cupid. And then This one I have. It's the one that I did the hands holding. So here's the back. I love those cats and dogs. They're so cute. This one is limited edition 12. So I don't have this one. And that's what it looks like. That's going to be really exciting. And here's the back to give you some ideas of what it looks like. And limited edition just means for the box, I believe. And then I just did a design with this one. So it's different big images. So there's that one. So I guess that is the big box. You get all of this stuff in it. Stamper, polish, scrapers, oil, the brush, the hairbrush, this, and glasses, and a beautiful box. So let me know what you guys think. What is your favorite thing? I honestly cannot say. I don't know. I love everything. So I'm definitely going to be doing some designs with the 2 plates that I don't have. But anyways, let me know what you think. I'll see you guys later. Bye.